So the Quran got revealed when Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was in his cave of Hira, and he saw a bright light coming to him.
The angel of Jibreel came down to him in a form of light and squeezed him 3 times and told him to read. He kept on saying, Iqra, 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 and our Prophet wouldn't know how to read. And then on the last time, the Prophet ﷺ said, what do I read? And then Angel Jibreel ﷺ said,
Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq, which means read in the name of Allah.
So from then on, he was taught, and then it's been carried on for years now.
And Prophet Muhammad ﷺ then taught the people, and the people just taught generations to come.
And that's the story.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم.
If somebody asks me what the Quran was, I'll just tell them that it's basically the book of answers to all your questions.
It's not just a book, it's a revelation from the Lord of all worlds.
It was the last book given to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ.
It's basically a guide for the Muslims.
If someone were to ask me to give them a definition of what the Quran is, I would say to them that the Quran is the word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to all of mankind.
That was revealed to his last prophet, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in the time frame of 23 years. Its mere recitation is an act of worship, and it is impossible for mankind to bring anything like it.
إن القرآن هو دستور هذه الحياة، وهو قانون لكل مسلم، بل هو رحمة للعالمين، وهو بالتواتر نقل إلينا من صحابة رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم والتابعين، حتى قرأنا القرآن قراءة صحيحة متواترة عن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم.
So that's in regards to the definition of the Quran al-Karim.
What does the Quran mean to you?
So the Quran means to me, such an open question.
The Quran means to me, Alhamdulillah, he's the best friend I can fully trust it. He the one show me the right direction to the path to communicate with my God. If I lost, I go to the Quran and find my way. And I find whatever I want there. Peaceful of mind, peaceful of heart. It's the shadow of my life, inshallah, until I face my God.
So for me, it's a personal letter or revelation that Allah sent, and I feel that it's directed towards me. So that's what the Quran is. It's my connection with Allah.
The Quran is my life. The Quran is everything that I think of. It's my heart, it's my soul, it's my brain, everything.
What is the main message of the Quran?
The main message would be really use your life wisely.
I would say the main message of the Quran is Tawheed. Basically the message to worship Allah and the fact that Allah is only one.
The Quran teaches people to believe in one God and to not associate partners with Him.
And to do righteous deeds such as Salah, Zakah, Sawm.
It's telling us that if you obey Allah's rules, if you obey Allah's rules, will inshallah go to Jannah.
It's going to sound very soft, but I feel like the overriding message of the Quran is that Allah is extremely merciful. I really feel the more I read the Quran, mercy and forgiveness comes up so much that you can't help but feel the mercy of Allah is the overriding message. That's my personal journey with the Quran. I've really taken that away.
The whole Quran is basically educating you about who Allah is. And obviously knowing who Allah is connects you with every other part of the religion. Once you know who Allah is, that connects you to your prayer, that connects you to your conduct, that connects you to the beliefs that you have. So basically the Quran is a book from Allah telling you about Allah.
You know, the verses of the Quran is for all of humanity, and often I'm disappointed that Muslims feel that this is only for them. The Quran is a message that needs to touch the hearts of everyone. To live by the Quran is to treat our neighbors kindly, to say a good word, to appreciate and respect the rights of others over us. It's not all about individuals, but it's about the benefit of society, the benefit of mankind. So that's what we hope to achieve with our connection to the Quran, to understand our purpose in life, that we are here for a very short journey, and that we fulfill the purpose of that journey by worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.